YouTube? Tony here from the Mississippi Pickers. Welcome back to the vlog. I just want to let you guys know that me and Deidre are fine. Hurricane decided to go in a different direction, so good news for us and not so good news for other people, but good news for us. Hopefully those people on the Gulf Coast of Alabama and Florida will be okay. We're really hoping there won't be a loss of life. Definitely praying for that. Anyway, for this vlog, I really just want to let you guys know that there's not a lot going on. I'm still not, selling anything on eBay right now because of all the things that are going on in the world. But getting really close to opening back up. I think what we're going to do is we're going to wait maybe another month or two, and then we're going to start selling again. I think probably within the next couple of months they're going to be announcing some major therapeutics and maybe a vaccine. I just feel like it's getting close enough that it feels safe enough that we can start getting back to business again. So we're fixing to do that. The other thing I wanted to mention was that we've started our own website. And I'm not mentioning this so that you guys will go and buy stuff from me. I'm not asking for that. What I thought would be cool is if some of you might want to do this yourself. If you know anything about, setting up websites, or if you know somebody that does that, then this might be an option for you. So I thought you could go look at my website. You can see if that's something that you might want to do for yourself. My website is tonys.net. That's TONYZ.net. And I'll put a little graphic here on the screen, maybe right about here. Yeah, there you go. And just go check it out. And if you like that, I can tell you that I'm hosting on, I don't remember what I'm hosting on. I looked at so many different hosting sites, but some of the cheaper ones are like Bluehost and HostGator, and those are pretty cheap. It's like $5 a month maybe. It's pretty cheap. You get the website name is usually around $10, and that lasts for a year. You just renew it for another year. As far as the software goes, that's actually running. It's called PrestaShop, and that's the one I chose. There's a lot of different shopping cart, type websites that you can set up, but PrestaShop for me was one of the easiest to set up. PayPal is a free shopping cart that is included in the initial package that you set up, and it's just really easy. So I thought you guys might want to see what one looks like at the beginning stages. I've only got like 5 items listed, but it's something you can take a look at and see if that's something you might want to do. The only thing is you got to drive your own traffic to it, so that's a little bit of a challenge, but there's all kinds of ways you can do that now, especially through something like Facebook ads or Google ads. You also got Twitter ads, you got Instagram ads, all those different places that you can purchase for a small amount of money. You can purchase a lot of advertising, so you can send people to your website that way. Facebook seems to be like one of the best ones because you can target specific groups of people, and you can get a lot of them, per day for a small amount of money. So yeah, that might be something you want to take a look at. I'm going to try it out, see if it works. Like I said, right now, you guys know me. I'm the slowest guy in the world about getting things done. I've only got 5 things listed. But in the beginning, I was trying to decide maybe what do I want to list on my own website. I've decided I think I'm going to just list like maybe my best stuff, only the things that I think are really good items. And I don't know, what that will be just yet, but I think that's the way to go, is just put the stuff that, like your premium stuff, on your own site, things that might be easier to sell. That way you get to keep all the profit, except for the, handling fee that PayPal charges, which isn't a whole lot. Anyway, that's what I wanted to pass on to you for this vlog, and that's going to pretty much wrap it up. So thanks for tuning in. Thanks for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, thanks. Hit that subscribe button down there. And hit the like button. That helps me out. And I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for tuning in. Bye.